Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire TV Stick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install apps and games on your Amazon Fire TV. So if you're trying to figure out how to search for or find games and apps and then install them to your Amazon Fire TV, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to do that. So to get started, the first thing we need to do from the home screen of our Amazon Fire TV is simply scroll to the right using your controller until you get to Find. So if you're looking to search for a specific app or a game, simply go down and select Search right here with the center button on your controller. Then you would just simply type out the name of that app using the keyboard right here, and it'll search for it. But if you don't want to search, you just want to browse through the different apps that are available and install an app that way, what we need to do from this menu is scroll all the way to the right until we get to Appstore, select Appstore. And then in here, we really have three different options to look through the apps and games. So scroll down until you get to the menu. Then first we have all the featured apps that are available on the Amazon Fire TV. So we can look through those. Then to the right in the menu, we have all the games. So you can see all the different games that are available for your Amazon Fire TV. And then after that, we can even look at the apps and games that are available by category. So go here, then we'll see all the different categories of apps that are available. So I'm just going to select movies and TV. Once you find the app that you want to install, simply select it. So I'm going to install Twitch. So I'll select it. Then make sure you have download selected and choose that. So now it will start downloading the app. This might take a couple minutes depending on your internet. It'll start installing the app. Then once it's done installing, you'll have the option to open it. So go ahead and select open. And now you can start enjoying the new app or game that you've installed on your Amazon Fire TV. All right, so that's how you download and install apps and games on your Amazon Fire TV. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Amazon Fire TV Stick tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.